Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel below here. Ring the bell, give us a like, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment in the box if you're liking my videos so far. I'm Dave Johnson and I've got another freebie for you here, another money making freebie. You're going to be using two separate platforms. One of them is a very popular one called Fiverr. And I've come across another one that you can combine with Fiverr. It's a bit like freelancing, if you like, but to just a smaller scale than what you're probably used to seeing on the internet. But here we go, guys. You can make some good money out of here. So basically, what rang the bell for me was I came across just on Fiverr, and I found this. I will set up your Gmail account with emails and blah 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 for this is in the UK, so that's £4.28. By the time Fiverr take off their subscription, it'll be £5. So people are actually paying £5 for somebody to set up your Gmail account, and they get 5-star reviews, and they are actually, people are paying for them. Look guys, and that's just one example. You can do tons of other things, not just do this. So when I'm about to show you, you'll see what I mean. So you can, so people are prepared to pay that sort of money, which is ridiculous, really, in my eyes. But people are prepared to pay it. So I mean, how long does it take to set a Gmail account up? 2 minutes, you know the score, guys. So the next platform I'd like to show you now is something I've come across, and it's called Rapid Workers. Now this is me, just to prove there. Look, I'm Dave Johnson. Now, Rapid Workers, you just sign up as normal, name, email, password, log in, cheap as chips. It's for nothing, guys. Both platforms you don't have to pay for if you're not aware of them by now. I'll leave both the links below this video so that you can click on them and it'll take you straight there. So once you've signed up to Rapid Workers, it'll bring you to this page, which is the home page, and these are all jobs here. Look, there's loads and loads and loads of jobs here, what people are willing to pay you money for, and it's instant payment. If you haven't got PayPal, this won't work. I don't know if I've told you that. This will not work, but you will get payment if you've got PayPal instantly. Okay? So you have to browse about and find the jobs, what you're prepared to do. Some of them are paying 50 cents, some of them just for submissions, some of them are sign-ups. I'm trying to find one for you here. Visit website and click ads. Oh dear, you don't get much for that one, so we'll leave that. But what it is here, guys, look, 150 they want. So if you're just doing that, you can make some money. There's a lot better ones than this though here. A lot better. I'm just trying to find you one. There you are. Simple sign up and get a chance to win a free gift card. 50 cents. But they want 20 of them, guys, and it take you 2 minutes. They want 20. So they've found one person that completes the job. And I'll just go back into this into a bit more detail for you. So if you can remember back at Fiverr, somebody's prepared to pay £5 for a Gmail account. So I went into Rapid Workers yesterday and opened a campaign just to try it out. Here we are, look, Dave Johnson. That's my email address. Don't go contacting me, please. Thank you very much. So here's my campaign. I think I opened it yesterday, and I wanted people to create 5 Gmail accounts for me, and I'll pay them instantly. With PayPal. There you go, look, create. It's still running now. So I found 2 people, and they've both of them, I wanted 5. It says there 2 out of 5, so I've suggested I wanted 5 lots of 5. So 2 people have done, so I've got 10 emails with passwords. Okay, so I'll press on view my tasks there. Here's my campaign. It's still running, guys. So 8 hours ago and 9 hours ago, these guys here, 17 cents for 5 passwords and 5 Gmail accounts. And I've seen those. I'm not going to press the details because then I've got to blur it all out with my passwords and everything. But trust me, guys, I mean, I've pressed there, look, satisfied and paid them guys I've got 17 cents for giving me five emails and passwords. Another guy's here has done me 17 cents, and then hopefully tomorrow somebody else will have done me 17 cents. Now, I'm not going to keep doing that forever, but it's just an example to make this video for you. So, in total, we've got 10 Gmail accounts with emails and passwords for 34 cents. You go back to Fiverr, people are paying £5 for one. You do the maths, guys. It's not rocket science. I would suggest you get on this. If you haven't made any money already online and you don't make any money with this, then you're never going to make money, guys, because this is dead simple. You're not going to be millionaires out of it, but it'll get you going. Here you are, look, sign up and complete offers plus email confirmation. £3.60, this guy wants 3 on them. $3.60, sorry. So the money's there to be made. You can't say it's not, and you get instant payment, guys. They're all different jobs, so like I say, compare all these. You can do a search on there. Look, you can do a search, and you can target your workers, so you can work in different countries. Just UK and Australia, for instance. There isn't any on that one. So we'll go to, there we are, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Norway. There's these jobs here for them. Download an ebook, look. 35 cents, and he wants 9 of them. Guys, how long does it take to download an ebook? 35 cents. You're not going to be millionaires, but it's making you money. How long does it take? It doesn't even, it put 3 minutes here. It doesn't even take you that long. So you do the maths, guys. Fiverr and Rapid Workers, combine them both, start making money online, then treat yourself to the software or the training package or anything else that'll get you working and making proper money online. This is just to get you started. So if you're up and running already, it probably isn't for you, but if you're not, get on this, guys. There isn't an easier way to earn money online. So if you like this, subscribe to my channel, please. Ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. Let me know how you're making the videos, how you're liking the videos underneath here on the comments. And I'll see you another time with another freebie. Take care, guys. Enjoy.